Yo, what's good everyone on YouTube? It's your boy Scott Kicks, and I'm back again with another video. Today, another box came in the mail from Footlocker, Canada. I have been having some issues with Footlocker shipping lately because they tell me that my package got shipped, but then they cancel my order and refund me my money or partial amount of my money. And even though there's enough pairs in stock, I don't know why they do that. This happened to me probably about 2 or 3 times so far on a pair of Jordans, like a few pairs of Jordans. Um, Now these aren't my size. I bought these to resell, but it's not your normal pair of Jordan 1s. Because the box is white and has a gold Jumpman on it. The normal Jordan 1 box is black and has a gold Jumpman. There's a pair of women's Air Jordan. Oh wait, these are Air Jordan 11s. The paper said Air Jordan 1s, but okay. Oh yeah, remember I ordered a pair of Air Jordan 11 lows in women's. These are the white and black Concords. Suggested retail was $240. If you guys want a pair of these, they only have a size 7 left. If you're, happen to be a size 7 women's, definitely go check out Footlocker. That's where I've been getting all my Jordans from lately. So yeah, the official color was just white, black, and Concord. Suggested retail was $240 Canadian, and here they are. Now, if these were men's, I'm not big on Jordan 11 lows or any low top Jordan retro except for Jordan 1s. Jordan 1s I like in lows, mids, and highs. Definitely I'm gonna see how much I can get for these. It's a clean color. It's just white and has that patent leather and like a navy blue, almost kind of royal blue, and then it's got that icy blue outsole, white midsole that everyone loves on Jordan 11s. Yeah, the Jordan 1s I thought they were. I got a pair of size 8 Jordan 1 mids, women's also size 8. So yeah, those are still on the way from Footlocker. They could be here any day now. Now they, I don't know. This is like very different. Like I'm used to Jordan 11s, the original cut. I'm not used to the low tops, but if any girl happens to be a size 8 women's and you want a pair of Jordan 11 lows, I'm going to be throwing these up for sale today. See if someone's interested. I checked the market for them. Market's pretty good. Quality is nice on these. The leather, the patent leather. It doesn't have your usual nylon tongue like Jordan 11s usually do. This is more like a soft leather, and then the insole is black and has a blue Jumpman logo on it right there. And same with this one. And other than that, there's not much to it. Like, there's no spare laces or anything. When those white and red Jordan 1 mids get here soon, I don't know when it will be, but hopefully they come in the next few days or so. I am definitely going to throw those up for sale too. They're going for a pretty good amount. Like, it's not going to get you crazy amount of profit, but if you make like, I don't know, $50 on top of them or even $30 on top of them, it's better than nothing. So, much love, guys. Take care. Keep supporting, keep subscribing, liking, and commenting down below. Until later.